Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create and view custom walking routes in Apple Maps on iOS 18. To plan a hike, first launch Apple Maps on your preferred device, iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Next, locate your desired area by searching for a specific trail, national park, or location. Tap Plan a Hike. Then start plotting your journey by tapping locations on the map. Now fine-tune your adventure by reviewing the distance and elevation. You can customize your journey by selecting options like reverse, out and back, or closed loop. Finalize your route by saving and naming it, then tap Done. If you find that your park or hiking trail doesn't have the Trailheads button, you can create a custom route. This allows you to design your path, whether it's a lesser known trail or a walk through a city. To create a custom route, open Apple Maps, tap your profile icon, and click Library. In the Library section, select Routes. Other options include Places, Guides, and Pin. Now tap Create and tap the map to set your starting point. Once your basic route is plotted, you'll see familiar options to refine it. After that, use reverse to flip the direction, out and back for a round trip, or close loop to connect your start and end points. When you're satisfied with your route, tap Save to store it for later use, or go to start navigating immediately. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.